Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I've got something today that'll blow your mind if you're into sleek, minimalistic designs that are both functional and affordable. Let's start with the design. Honestly, this product could be straight out of a design magazine. It's clean, modern, and fits seamlessly into any setup, whether it's your workspace, living room, or even your bedside table. It's that kind of chic that makes you do a double take. But wait, the design isn't just for show. It's made with durable, high-quality materials that scream premium without the hefty price tag. Yes, you heard that right. This gem is super budget-friendly. I had to double-check the price because I couldn't believe something that looks and feels this good was so affordable. Oh, and it's versatile too. Need something for your office? Check. A conversation starter for your home? Double check. A thoughtful gift? Triple check. Want more details? Head to the description below, where I've listed everything you need to know, including where to grab it before it's gone.